This video will teach you how to corrupt a Microsoft Office document, or anything else, so it cannot be opened. Using a notepad for Windows, click the File menu and select Open. The file browser will appear. Select all files from the drop-down menu. Select the document and click Open. Delete several lines of text. 7 or 8 lines should be enough. However, do not delete all the text, as this will prevent the file from being corrupted properly. Click the File menu and select Save As. Name the file and click Save. This version of the file is now corrupt. Try opening the corrupted file in Office. You should see an error message saying there is a problem with the content. Click OK to proceed, and then Word will try to repair or recover the content. Changing file extensions in Windows. Make sure file extensions are visible. Find a file that isn't a Word or text document. Click the file and select Rename. Replace the current extension. Press Enter. You'll see a pop-up asking if you're sure you want to rename the file. Click Yes. The file is now saved as a .docx file or whatever you saved it as. If you try opening the file in Word, you'll see an error that says it's been corrupted. You can also use an online file corruptor. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.